If you're wondering how to import resume data into Top Echelon, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can quickly get started using this powerful recruiting software. Stay tuned because I'll also show you how to make this process even easier with an exclusive free trial offer at the end of the video. When you first log into Top Echelon, you'll want to head over to the Candidates tab. This is where you'll manage all the resume data that you're importing. Importing resume data into Top Echelon is a simple process, but there are a few key steps to ensure everything is correctly uploaded and accessible. First, you'll need to make sure you have the resume file ready. Top Echelon allows you to upload resumes in various formats, like .docs, PDF, and .txt. Make sure your resume is in one of these formats, so that the system can process it properly. Once your resume file is ready, click on the Import Resume button within the Candidates section. A window will pop up asking you to either drag and drop the file or browse for it on your computer. Select the file you want to upload and click Open. Top Echelon will automatically parse the data from the resume, pulling in details like the candidate's name, contact information, skills, work experience, and education. The software does a pretty good job of identifying key information, but you'll still want to double check it for accuracy before moving on. If you're importing multiple resumes, don't worry. Top Echelon lets you bulk upload them as well. Simply upload your batch of resumes in the same way and let the software handle the rest. Once uploaded, Top Echelon will create a candidate profile for each resume, where you can view and edit details, making it easy to manage all of your recruiting information in one place. To ensure everything is correctly mapped, you'll want to review the candidate's profile after import. Top Echelon provides a field mapping feature to check how the resume information matches up with the candidate fields in the system. If any information is missing or out of place, you can manually adjust it before saving the candidate's profile. One of the biggest advantages of Top Echelon is that it doesn't just store resume data. It also enables you to track candidates throughout your hiring process, from initial submission to final placement. This makes it an invaluable tool for recruiters who are managing multiple job openings and candidates at the same time. Now that you know how to import resume data into Top Echelon, here's a pro tip. If you're new to the platform, take advantage of Top Echelon's free trial offer. By clicking the first link below, you can try out the software with an exclusive bonus, giving you more flexibility to explore all of its features. And before we wrap up, remember that importing resume data is just the beginning. Once you've got your candidates in Top Echelon, you can also manage job orders, track candidate placement, and communicate with your clients, all from within the same platform. If you're ready to streamline your recruiting process and manage resumes like a pro, be sure to check out the extended free trial offer in the link below. You won't regret it.